Hello, David here from MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. This is a gorgeous 2025 Sea Ray 260 SLX. Sea Ray blue with a white gel stripe. New for 2025 is that SLX emblem in the aft. We have a large swim platform with a submersible swim step. Large sun pad in the aft. This port side storage locker will open up and has availability to do long storage for noodles or paddle boards or paddleboard paddles. Our battery switches are right there, easy on as soon as you get on the boat. On the sun pad we have charge ports and stereo controls. We step down into the cockpit. There's storage under my feet. Very easy to control the power tower. This stays level as it drops down. You can also control it from the Simrad up on the dashboard from the helm. Ample seating, flagpole holder, cup holders, dual captain's chairs, dual Simrad screens, push button switches, trim tab controls, digital throttle, digital shift, powered with a Mercury 350 and a Bravo 3. On the port side we have a large head compartment. Open this up. The door latches on a magnet. We have a vacuum flush head with SeaDeck on the floor. A sink to wash your hands. We have a bow door, built-in trash can, and the bow. Bow is my favorite part on this boat. Absolutely gorgeous and styling. We have storage underneath my feet, a power stainless steel windlass anchor, and lots of storage on the starboard side underneath the helm. Close this up. Do one quick walkthrough back through the boat. This boat is absolutely gorgeous. And it is available at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. This is David. Come on down. We'll go through the rest of the boat.